Hello, good afternoon, Aisyah.
Good afternoon Kak Aurel. Kak Aurel, sorry aku lagi di luar jadi aku bakal jawabnya agak late atau nggak ngerespon sama sekali. Sorry ya Kak Aurel.
Oh yeah, that's fine. And I also want to show my deep condolences of your grandparent loss. So yeah, it is understandable for me that you cannot join the class last time.
Maaf ya Kak Aurel. Itu sebenarnya
Nggak
aku
apa-apa.
udah inget banget tuh udah ada alarmnya.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Jadi saya akan share dulu ya Kak untuk lesson plan-nya yang ada di sini. Nah, ini
Okay.
adalah lesson plan-nya untuk pertemuan dengan Aisyah, sisa 3 kali pertemuan, yaitu hari ini, lalu ada sekali lagi pertemuan, kemudian ada final exam. Sekalian aja, izin untuk membahas, kira-kira untuk pertemuan yang ke-6 ini mau kapan ya, Kak? Biar saya jadwalkan sekalian.
Aku hari Senin bisa kok Kak.
Oh, hari Senin bisa, oke.
Bisa.
Em, Kira-kira jam berapa?
Jam 12 bisa kok.
Oh, I cannot do that actually. Kalau
Oh,
jam
jam
1?
12 oke. Jam 1 oke bisa kok.
Oke, jam 1 ya, saya tulis di sini. Kemudian untuk final exam-nya, kira-kira mau dilakukan kapan? Lalu formatnya mau yang full day exam, like I only give you the questions and you send back the answer to me, and then later I will give you feedback based on your exam,
Ya
or
boleh
you
Kak,
will
kayak
do
gitu aja.
kayak gitu aja, atau mau yang 1 jam
Iya.
di kelas kayak gini, Kak?
Nanti berarti aku dapat full day bisa ngerjain kapan aja kan?
Iya. Tapi harus kumpulnya sebelum, misalkan hari ini jam 12 saya kirimkan,
Sebelum jam
maksimal
12 di
24 jam.
besoknya.
Iya, heeh, betul kayak gitu.
Oke Kak Aurel.
Mau gitu
Boleh
aja?
besok Selasa aja.
Oh, Selasa. Oke.
Oke.
Kalau gitu hari Selasa nanti Miss kirimkan soalnya di jam 12. Lalu Aisyah boleh kerjakan sampai maksimum hari Rabunya. Seperti itu.
Oke, siap Kak Aurel.
Oke. And then kalau seperti itu tidak ada meeting nggak apa-apa ya, Kak? Apa
Nggak
gimana?
apa-apa, aman. Nggak
Oke.
apa-apa. Berarti ntar Kak Aurel send me through WhatsApp kan ya?
Ya, heeh. Ujiannya lewat WhatsApp sekitar ya kayak ujian bahasa Inggris pada umumnya ada 50-an soal.
Oke. Oke, siap.
Okay, thank you. Now let's jump into our lesson today. And yesterday we already finished about simple present tense. Kemarin kita sudah selesai tentang materi simple present tense. And right now let's talk about past experience. Hari ini kita akan lanjut ke materi tentang pengalaman masa lampau. Nah, di paket yang ini Aisyah ada belajar 2 tata bahasa, yaitu simple present tense dan simple past tense. Untuk simple
Siap.
past tense-nya sendiri, Miss nanti akan kenalkan sama yang namanya regular verb dan irregular verb. Apakah sebelumnya sudah pernah mendengarnya?
Sudah pernah.
Sudah pernah. Ini kemarin sudah pernah dibahas atau belum ya?
Belum, Kak.
Belum ya. Oke. Nah, before we jump into our lesson, let's say our slogan first, English fit.
No more tears.
Let's.
Let's practice.
Okay, thank you. So, what about the past experience? Basically, past experience is talking about something happened in the past or something that is already happened. Sesuatu yang sudah terjadi di masa lalu. Dan untuk membicarakan tentang masa lalu, kita menggunakan tata bahasa yang namanya adalah simple past tense. Untuk
Siap.
menggunakan simple past tense, ada beberapa time signal yang harus diketahui seperti yang ada di layar ini. Can you help me to read one by one and translate it?
Okay. Just now, this morning,
Sorry,
yesterday.
just sambil
Ke kanan.
diterjemahkan
Oke.
Aisyah.
Oke.
Just now artinya?
Just now, sekarang. This
No, just now is
morning.
baru saja.
Oh, baru saja. Oke. Just now, baru saja. This morning, pagi ini. Yesterday, kemarin. Yesterday morning, kemarin pagi. Yesterday afternoon, kemarin siang. Yesterday evening, kemarin malam. Last night itu iya kemarin malam atau tadi malam.
Ya,
Last week,
semalam.
minggu kemarin. Last Sunday, minggu kemarin. Ya kan, Kak? Is
Ya,
that
last
correct?
week itu pekan kemarin, last Sunday hari Minggu kemarin.
Hari Minggu kemarin. Oke. Last month, bulan kemarin. Last year, tahun kemarin. The day before yesterday, hari sebelum kemarin. Berarti
Kemarin
lusa.
lusa. Ya, betul.
Ya, kemarin lusa. An hour ago, 1 jam yang lalu. A few minutes ago, beberapa menit yang lalu.
Okay, that's great. That's for the time signal for simple past tense. Can you help me to make an example using these time signals?
I just chat you a few minutes ago. I just
Okay,
chatted
that's
to
really
you.
great. Saya baru menghubungimu dalam beberapa menit terakhir. That's correct. Itu adalah contoh dari kalimat simple past tense. Nah, sebelum masuk ke topik ini, saya akan mengenalkan pada istilah yang namanya regular dan irregular verb. Dapat. For a moment. Okay, so what is irregular and regular verb? So basically in English and past tense, we have the term of regular and irregular verb. What is the meaning of regular and irregular?
Verb kan, berarti kata kerja, berarti kalau regular verb itu kata kerja yang past tense sama past participle. Contohnya mereka play tapi mereka ditambah ed. So
Okay.
play, played, clean, cleaned gitu.
Okay, that's correct actually. So basically a regular verb means
Verb
kata
two.
kerja biasa. And irregular verbs mean kata kerja tidak biasa. Both of them have the term of verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. Verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. So verb 1, we call it as bare form atau bentuk biasa. And then bentuk dasar juga boleh. And then for second, past form, bentuk masa lampau. And then verb 3, past participle, bentuk participle. Now, both of them have the same structure, but the difference is for regular verb, you can see that for verb 2 and verb 3, we just need to put ed behind the verb. For example, watch. For verb 2, we can say watch it. For verb 3, we can say watch it as well. So it's predictable what is the verb 2 and verb 3. However, for irregular verb, we don't have any specific rule for that. Every single verb have their own verb 2 and verb 3, and the only way to recognize it is by memorizing it. For example, you can say eat, and then the verb 2 is ate, and the verb 3 is eaten. So they all have different form. And sometimes verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3 have the same verb. For example, cut. Cut is also the same. Cut, like that. Sometimes they also have different ones, like eat, ate, eaten. That's different. Or sometimes they can even have verb 1 different and verb 2 with verb 3 is the same. For example, teach, taught, like this. And then, yeah, there are another form as well. And usually it can start with E and then followed by A and then followed by U. For example, sing, sang, sang. Ring, ring, rang. Dring, dring, drang. That's makes the same syllable. And right now, I want you to look at this, the irregular verb list, to make you familiar with some common vocabulary used for the simple past tense. Um, okay, this one. Could you help me to read one by one from bare form to participle and then translate it?
Okay. Awake, awoke, awoken, bangun, terbangun. Is it correct?
Yeah, that's
Be,
correct.
was, were, been. Berada, is it? I was there.
Actually, it has no meaning. It's
Yeah,
just
no
a kata
meaning,
kerja
right?
bantu.
Yep.
This one.
Beat, beat, beaten. Got beat. I got bit. Apa ya beaten?
Dipukul.
Bisa ngalah, mengalahkan.
Ya, ya, boleh,
I
boleh.
beat
Mengalahkan
you.
juga. I got beaten. Saya dikalahkan. Boleh.
Yeah.
Kalau beatnya aja memukul. Mengalahkan juga boleh.
Okay. Okay. Become, became, become. Menjadi. Jadi or menjadi. Begin, began, begun. Mulai. Bend, bent, bent. I don't know. Bend, bend over. How is it called? Itu bukan jongkok, bukan bend, bend. Nunduk is it? Bend,
Actually, ya, ada menunduk atau boleh membengkokkan.
membengkokkan. Bat, 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 bat. I bet, I bet, I bet
I
she's
bet you
young.
$1,000.
Yeah, I bet. Masa taruhan?
Iya, betul. Taruhan.
Oh, it is taruhan.
Iya, bet itu bertaruh.
Kayak, for example, kayak aku yakin dia. Gimana sih kayak gitu, Kak?
Iya, iya,
In
betul, betul.
Indonesia.
Iya.
Okay.
I bet she will win this competition. Saya yakin dia akan menang. Gitu.
Okay, siap. Next, bid, bid, bid. Oh, what's for bid? Apa ya, Kak? Bid, bid, bid. Bid, bid.
Bid. Bid biasanya dipakai di itu, auction, pelelangan. Apa ya kira-kira?
Bid di pelelangan.
Penawaran.
Oh, jadi dia nawar gitu.
Ya, do you know what is pelelangan auction?
Tahu.
Nah,
Dia
yang biasanya
kayak
tinggi-tinggian
ngajuin
harga itu.
Oh,
Ya,
jadi
itu.
kayak
Itu bid
misalnya.
namanya.
Oh, jadi
Contohnya
aku
kayak,
nawar.
nawar.
For
The
example,
highest
kayak
bid is blah, blah, blah.
kayak his bid too low atau he bid 1,000 for the shoes gitu.
Yes, that's correct. He bid 1,000 blah, blah, blah.
Oke. Next. Ini harus sampai habis kayak gitu deh, Cak.
Iya, karena mungkin ada beberapa yang baru buat Aisyah.
Oke, boleh. Bite, bit, bitten, gigit, blow, blew, blown, niup, break, broke, broken, hancur, bring, brought, bawa, broadcast, broadcast. Sama. Broadcast tuh kayak broadcast. Broadcast
Menyiarkan.
ya menyiarkan or menayangkan kan. Menyiarkan. Build, membangun. Buy, bought, beli. Catch, caught, tangkap. Choose, chosen, memilih.
No, this
Come,
one is
came,
chose, not choose. This one is
Okay,
choose, and this one is chose, and this one is chosen. Chosen.
Chosen. Okay. Choose, chose, chosen. Milih. Come, came, come, datang. Cost. It cost 1,000. Cost. Tak habis kan? total. It's not like total.
Berbiaya.
Biaya.
Biaya.
Biaya. Cost. Cost. Biaya. Cut. Memotong. Dug. Um. What is it called? Digging. Um. Apa? What is it in Indonesia? Ya.
Menggali.
Menggali. Betul. Menggali. Do the done. I did it. Melakukan. Masa?
Yep, that's correct.
I did.
Melakukan.
Okay. Drew, drawn.
Mhm.
Gambar, drove, driven. Nyetir, drink, drunk, minum, eat, ate, eaten, makan, fall, fell, fallen, jatuh, feel, felt, merasakan, fight, fought, berantem, fight, ya, pertarungan, find, found, menemukan, fly, flew, flown, terbang, forget, forgotten, lupa, forgive, forgiven, memaafkan, get, gotten, dapat, give, gave, given, memberi, go, went, gone, pergi, grow, grew, grown, tumbuh, hang, hung, gantung, bukan
Yeah, that's
gantung.
correct. Hanger.
Oh, betul.
Betul.
Hanger. Have, had, punya, hear, heard, dengar, has, had, pukul. Keep, kept, keep, ada hold, menggenggam, hold,
Ya, boleh
menahan.
menggenggam. Menahan juga boleh.
Okay. Keep, kept, keeping, menyimpan.
Okay, good.
Know, knew, known, tahu, lay, laid, berbaring, lead, led, memimpin, leave, left, meninggalkan, land, okay, land itu land, land,
I can lend
meminjam
you
tuh
my book. Please turn it back tomorrow.
minjem.
Ya, betul. Meminjamkan.
Okay, land, let
Mhm.
let go, membiarkan.
Okay, good.
Let him go. Lie, lane, lane, bohong.
Betul.
Aku nggak pernah lihat orang pakai lay sama lane ya. Aku kayak biasa dengar he's lying, he lied. Nggak pernah yang lay or lie.
Soalnya tergantung sama tensesnya, Alia. Jadi misalkan tensesnya adalah past tense, maka dia akan pakai yang lay. Contohnya wait, this one is lie and this one is lay. She lay to me yesterday. Atau bisa juga she lied pakai D to me yesterday. Kalau yang participle itu biasanya dipakai sebagai sebuah adjective. Misalkan the lane thief, pencuri yang berbohong. Nah, itu. Lane itu artinya berbohong.
Oke. Next, lose, lost, hilang, make, made, membuat, mean, meant, makna, tapi mean bisa ini juga kan, something that is actually mean.
Boleh yang tadi, bermakna atau bermaksud, boleh.
Oke.
Kalau yang mean ini itu bisa artinya ditakdirkan. Misalkan if it is meant to be, it will be. Have you ever heard that? If it is meant to be, it will be.
Iya, kalau itu takdir itu akan terjadi.
Iya benar kayak gitu.
Oke. Next, met, bertemu, pay, membayar, put, Mana? Read, read, read. Baca, ride, road, ridden. Menunggangi. Is it correct? Ride,
Yeah, that's
menunggangi.
correct.
Ring, rang, rang. Berdering. Rise, rose, risen. Terbit, run, run, run. Lari. Say, said, said. He say to me. Bicara, is it? Say,
Ya,
say, say.
berkata.
See, saw, sin. I see it. Lihat. Sell, sold. Sell, sold, sold. Jual.
Mm-mm.
Send. Kirim. Sing, sang, song. Nyanyi. Sit, sat, sat. Sit, sat, sat. Duduk, sleep, slept. Tidur, speak, spoken. Bicara, spend. Um, spend. I spent 2,000 this month. Uh, spend. Pengeluaran.
Mengeluarkan, menghabiskan.
Mengeluarkan. Habiskan. Okay. Stand, stood. Berdiri, swam. Berenang, taken. Mengambil. Teach, taught. Ajar, mengajar. Tear, torn. Air mata.
No.
Told.
Theater turn, what is that?
Tear yang menyobek.
Ya, betul. Tir menyobek.
Okay. I thought tear yang air mata.
Kalau tir air mata kan bukan verb.
Oh ya, itu maksudnya apa?
Kata benda. Air mata kan kata benda.
Oh, I see. Next, tell, told. Kasih tahu.
Okay, good.
Think, thought. Berpikir, throw, thrown. Melempar. Understand, understood. Ngerti, wake, woken, bangun lagi. Win, won. Menang, ride, rode, written. Kak, what is the difference between wake and awake?
Actually, that's the same.
Oh, that's the same.
Yeah, that's the same.
Really,
Okay.
she's awake. 2 minutes
Yeah,
ago sama
she's wide awake.
Oh, wide awake.
Biasanya kalau yang awake itu lebih ke kayak terbangun. Kalau yang wake itu yang bangun.
Okay, she's
Contohnya
awake
kayak,
in the middle
ya,
of the night.
boleh. Boleh kayak gitu. She's awake at 9 p.m.
Okay.
Atau she's wide awake. Artinya dia begadang. Nggak bisa tidur.
Okay.
Wide awake.
Wide awake. Okay.
Okay, now let's go back to this. Wait, okay, this. So I would like to ask you about some of these topics and try to describe your past experience about these topics. Let's start with the topic of book. So describe a book you read recently and you should say blah 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 like this. So could you help me to read the questions one by one and say your answer out loud?
Okay. First, the book. The describe book you read recently. You should say, what book was it?
Yep.
Apa ya terakhir kali aku baca buku? It was a math book.
Was math book?
Yeah, it was a math book. Next one, did you read it? Kalau kayak gitu, kalau I read it atau I read it?
I read it.
Okay, I read it. I read it. Yesterday. I read it yesterday. What contents were in the book? What content? It's about. It is atau it was?
It was.
It was about how to do maths. What is
Tentang apa?
rumus in English?
Formula.
Okay. It was about how to fix formulas.
How to
How to
fix?
fix formula.
Okay,
How to learn new formulas.
like this.
Yeah.
What kind of formula is that?
Pythagoras.
Oh, Pythagoras. Okay, it was about Pythagoras
It was about
formula.
Pythagoras.
You can say like this.
Okay. Explain how you felt about this book. Um. Ooh. Explain.
How do you feel about that? Like, oh my god, it was boring. Or something that, oh my god, it's exciting.
uh, um, how do I felt ya? Sebenarnya, I've I feel
Frustrated?
frustrated with the book. Feel
Okay, I
frustrated
felt, sorry, I felt frustrated. Why did you feel frustrated?
because actually I don't like math, but I have to
Oh,
learn math.
okay. Because I didn't like math, but I have to learn it.
To
Okay.
learn
So I
next.
have another questions actually about this topic. Um,
Okay,
who did give you that book?
I bought it from the store.
You bought it from the store because it
Yeah,
is
I bought it.
mandatory.
What is mandatory? What is mandatory meant? I forgot.
Mandatory means wajib.
No, it's not. But I bought it because I bought it my own because um I think I have to. Karena there's an easy way to learn about Pythagoras. Like
Oh,
yeah, there's the tips and trick
okay. Because the book contains easy tips and tricks to learn
about
Pythagoras.
Pythagoras. Yep.
Okay. All right. That's great. That's great. I don't know how to write. Oh, okay. All right.
Kita. Yeah.
I bought it from the store because the book contains easy tips and tricks to learn Pythagoras formula. And then let me ask you, did you read it
Yeah.
oftenly?
Yes, I do read it.
No, no, no. Yes, I did.
Oh, harus yes I did. Bukannya kalau
Karena
udah
ini
did harus
pertanyaannya did.
oh, oh I see. Okay. Yes, I did because yes I did, especially since TKA
Since what?
about to especially since TKA mau mulai. What is TKA mau mulai?
Oh, TK
Nearly
itu
happened. Does it nearly
elementary.
happen?
Sorry. TK. Wait. Elementary itu
TKA
SD.
means tes kemampuan
Kindergarten.
akademik. No,
Oh,
tes kemampuan akademik. So
oh
TKA
alah.
itu
Yang
kayak UN.
SBM.
So it's like iya betul. Tapi ini yang versi buat SMP mau ke SMA-nya.
Oh, really? They have that?
Iya, kan for the
Okay.
new government.
Okay, okay. I just know about it.
Menteri Pendidikan yang baru kan bikin mengajukan ini.
Okay. Tes itu untuk masuk sekolah negeri.
Iya betul. Kayak UN sih. So itu kayak final exam, is it? Final test.
Oh,
No, it's not
okay.
sih.
So it's a replacement for the national exam.
Iya betul.
And what happened with your score? Like, you can choose the favorite school if you get a high score or what?
Jadi itu based on your rapot sama TKA. Jadi kalau misalnya rapot kamu nilainya kecil bisa ke-push pakai TKA. Kalau TK kamu kecil juga bisa ke-push pakai nilai. Ini kepake buat negeri. Jadi negeri bakal kayak ngecek nilai kita dari TKA-nya berapa persen dan rapotnya berapa persen. Tapi ini lebih ke negeri. Kalau swasta nggak kayak nggak perlu deh. Soalnya kalau negeri kan
Okay.
mereka saingannya lumayan banyak.
Yeah,
So
the
bagus.
competitiveness is high.
Iya.
Okay, I wish you good luck for your academic ability test. Tes kemampuan
Amin.
akademik itu academic ability test.
Academic
And
ability
then,
test.
what is the other subject for the test?
The gimana ya? What is this? The
What is
other
the other
subject.
subject?
The
Mata
other
pelajaran apa aja?
the subject for the test is sih?
Ya, betul. Karena pertanyaannya is.
Okay, the subject for the test is IPA. Kalau dia gabung jadi satu apa sih? Nggak bisa kan?
Natural science.
Oh, bisa ya. I thought mereka harus di-divide jadi science, chemical, sama biology.
No. Actually, if you want to talk about the science in general, you mean like the nature, it will become a natural science. But for IPS, ilmu pengetahuan sosial, we can say that as social science.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And okay, this one for
A
another.
natural science,
Hmm?
English subject, and bahasa Indonesia as well.
Oh, okay. Wow, it's the same like the national exam, but the name is different.
Iya betul, UN kan dulu.
And what about the private school? Private school itu sekolah swasta. Do they also have to do the academic ability test, or they can just pass with the school exam?
Mereka is this one of the question buat ini atau enggak?
Like, oh no, I just being curious about that.
Okay. So kalau swasta, private school, mereka nggak butuh TKA,
They don't
TKA-nya,
need academic ability
the
test, and then
academic ability test. Since mereka kan cuma butuh rapot atau somehow mereka cuma butuh tes doang. Jadi mereka kan pasti punya tes. Kalau aku udah
they
ada
have their school exam.
iya betul, their own school exam.
Oh, okay. So basically, you need to do the test if you want to enter a public school.
Iya betul, kalau cuma mau ke public school, kalau
Okay,
ke
okay.
private school nggak butuh TKA, jadi ya gitu deh.
Okay, I got it. Thank you for sharing the information with me.
Sama-sama
And
kalau
then, which subject do you like the most?
oh my god, I don't have favorite subject. Sebenarnya I have a love-hate relationship with math. I
Mm-hmm.
like to do math, but I hate to do math.
Why? Why do you like to do math, but you also hate it?
I love when I'm fixing the masalah. What is the problems? No, the
The
questions. Like
problem
kalau ada
or the
the
equation?
problems. I like
Persamaan?
to persamaan. I'd like I'd love to fixing the problems, just answering the questions. I really love to do that. But when I don't know the formulas, or I forgot how to do the questions, or I don't know how to answer the questions, I felt so frustrated.
Oh, okay. So you feel like finishing a mathematic formula is interesting, but when you cannot
Yeah,
finish it, it will be frustrating.
yeah. I felt like I am the most stupid person that
Oh
existed in this
no!
whole world.
Actually, you did great.
No, because understanding math logic is kind of hard for me, difficult for me. So I have to learn from the basic one lagi for the TKA. Jadinya kayak ngulang lagi. Karena aku nggak
I
bisa
see.
kalau if I answer like misalnya I have total 10 questions for math, terus I answer 3 question with the wrong one. Like aku jawab salah 3 questions, aku bakal ngerasa kayak oh I have to ngulang lagi, so I have to review
Mm,
the past.
yeah. That's actually a hard dedication. You have a
Iya
dedication
betul.
for math. And what about the major in high school? At my time, you have to choose between natural sciences IPA or social sciences IPS or even language.
Yeah, I have confused. Aku bingung dan what is bimbang in English?
Bimbang is um anxious or anxious gugup sih. But yeah, we can say anxious or worried
Okay, I'm worried
or
when
even
I
hesitate
feel.
meragukan.
Oh iya betul.
Hesitate.
I'm hesitating my high school karena I don't know what to choose between three of them. Karena kalau if I choose the natural science, okay, I do love natural science. Natural science is one of my favorite because they have biology in it, chemical in it. But for my future, I think the social science itu lebih dipakai like
Hmm.
business management, yeah, and other stuffs. I think IPS bakal lebih kepake for the future, yeah, for my future. Tapi
Mm-hmm.
kalau natural science itu kan masuknya yang kayak biology, chemical,
Mm-mm.
science, dan
Yeah.
kalau udah masuk ke ranah-ranah itu harus stay di situ kayak
Oh, okay,
for the
okay.
rest of your life. Berarti kamu harus merujuk ke hal-hal yang kayak biology, science.
But
Takutnya
you don't like it.
uh, tapi aku malah aku lebih suka yang the
Natural
science one
science,
daripada the
social
social
science.
one.
Okay.
Ya.
But what do you want to be in the future actually?
So between my dreams and the reality itu different. Kalau my dreams itu
Really?
uh, yeah, I wanna be a doctor. Tapi kan aku nggak tahu in the future aku bisa jadi doctor atau enggak kan. Kayak
Mm-hmm.
the academic pressure itu pasti ada. Terus the it cost berapanya itu bakal susah. Tapi kalau yang mau lebih realistis, I might ambil business management.
Okay,
Walaupun mungkin
your realistic
bakal
option is business management. But actually being a doctor and business management is opposite to each
sih.
other.
Iya kan, itu opposite banget sebenarnya. Tapi aku suka
But
dua-duanya.
you
Kayak
like both of them?
kalau iya, I love both of them. Kayak kalau jadi dokter itu bisa helping people, terus kita bisa pokoknya
Mm.
ya kita bisa help people yang lagi sakit atau mereka yang lagi membutuhkan. Tapi kalau di business kita bisa um, what
Create
is
job opportunities.
iya betul, kita bisa ngasih job opportunities buat orang-orang yang butuh
Okay.
kerja. Pokoknya kita buka lapangan kerja kayak gitu. So
So
sama
basically you
mereka
like to
pengennya
help people.
so I want to be useful for other people.
Wow, that's a really nice word. You're a really kind person.
Ya, actually aku juga mau jadi a teacher sih
Oh, really?
dulu.
Why?
Ya,
You like to
cause
teach about something.
iya dan the lesson yang we taught ke mereka pasti bakal kepake in the future
Mm.
nanti tanpa mereka sadari ataupun tidak. Tapi
Oh,
pasti
the lesson
something
will be
bakal.
useful for them in the future, whether it
Iya
is
betul.
coincidentally or not.
Iya betul.
Okay. All right, that's a really nice story. Actually, we talk about a lot about your academic things, and I really like to hear about that from you. It's really different from my era.
Oh ya, emang
Mm-hmm.
kakak kelahiran tahun berapa?
I'm 2004. So I'm
2004.
basically right now I'm a college student.
Oh, sekarang.
Yeah,
Sekarang
I'm a college
semester
student.
berapa kakak?
I'm on my final year doing my thesis.
Oh, mas tesis udah skripsi.
Skripsi. Yep, that's correct.
Oh, kakak jurusan apa kak?
I'm engineering.
Oh, engineering.
Yep.
But you teach English.
Yes, because basically in my major, I have
Mm-mm.
to. I'm becoming a teaching assistant in college. There is a thing called teaching assistant, which means you are the
Mm-mm.
assistant for the professor to teach your junior student. So I teach the
Mm-mm.
younger student, and all
Mm-mm.
of my younger student is international students. So I basically have to use English to teach the subject to them. So yeah, I like to use English.
Oh, that's very cool. I never thought that before.
Yeah, like that.
Keren, 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 keren.
Okay,
Okay.
so let's continue with this topic about guests. I think this one is really interesting because we already passed the Eid Mubarak holiday, and I believe
Yeah.
that for Muslim people have a lot of guests during that time. So would you like to describe an occasion when someone visited your home and you should answer these questions? Starting from number one, who was the person
The person, the
visit
person, the
your
person.
home, the guests?
Okay. My family. Well, the person who, what's the person? The people.
Yeah, wait, your family means
Wait.
more than one person?
Yep.
You can say my family members.
Okay. My family members visit my home at the house. What is this different
They
between home and
visited
house?
my house.
For Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak. Okay. And then number three.
Three or two? Oh, three.
Uh,
Oh, yeah. Dah.
yeah, huh.
What did
Three.
you do during the visit? We eat together, we talk together, and
We talked together.
we yeah, we played together.
We what?
We played together.
Oh, played together. Um, do you
Okay.
apologizing to each other? Did you apologize to each other?
Enggak.
Huh? No. Phil don't have
Kalau
any mistakes.
kalau oh iya deh. Oh iya kita maaf-maafan deh. Using the Arab one, the
Mm,
taqabbalallah. I forgot.
okay. I apologize to my
Family member.
siblings, my
Oh, my
family
siblings.
members. Oh, to
My
older
family.
one, right? Or do you have
Yeah,
to
oh yeah.
apologize to your younger family member? For example, your little brother or little
Iya, kok
sister.
juga harus
Oh,
in
juga.
my
Okay.
family.
To everyone.
Iya, jadi tuh biasanya like the night before the Eid Mubarak itu
Mm-hmm.
my family, enggak sih sebenarnya my mother, my father, and my sisters kita kayak maaf-maafan to each other sama kita kayak confessing what our sins yang we did in the
Ah,
past
okay, okay.
juga.
All
Jadi
right. So
kayak
you
gitu.
finish it before the day of Eid Mubarak.
Iya, betul.
And the celebration is the day.
Iya, the in the day.
All right. Okay, that's really great. And number four, explain how you felt about your family member's visit.
I felt very happy because we met each other after a long time.
We met each other after a long time. Okay, that's really heartwarming. You can say instead of saying sorry, instead of yeah, betul. Instead of saying a very happy moment, you can say over the moon.
Over the moon. Okay,
Yeah,
it means the same kan. Very happy
yeah,
or
yeah.
over the
It
moon.
feels the same. I felt over the moon because we met each other after a long time.
Okay.
I have another idiom as well for saying
Mm.
you rarely meet them. Rare moment.
You're rarely okay.
You can say once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon.
So you can say like this: I felt over the moon because we gather once in a blue moon. It sounds like
Oh,
more fancy, right?
yeah, more fancy. Fancy, fancy.
Okay, gitu. And then how many guests
Oh, how many
did you
guests?
have?
I have total.
I
I
have
have total. Let me minutes now. Um,
approximately. Don't have to say the exact number. I know that your family member is very
um,
big.
okay, but I met lots of people.
I have met a lot of people, so I forgot it.
Yeah,
Okay, and what about the food? What did you eat during Eid Mubarak?
I usually,
A.
I usually,
Usually, I ate.
I I usually eat.
I usually
I
ate.
ate
Okay.
usually ate opor ayam,
Mm.
sambal goreng kentang, rendang, ketupat, and also es buah.
Okay, let's try to translate it one by one. If the word have the English word.
Okay,
So first
opor
of all,
ayam
opor ayam.
means
In English, we call it
curry.
chicken braised in coconut milk. No, it's different.
Oh my
Chicken curry
god.
means curry,
Jadi,
but opor itu braised in coconut milk.
okay, chicken braised in coconut milk.
Mhm. And then sambal goreng kentang itu yang kentang kotak-kotak itu bukan?
Yep. So,
Okay, you can
potato
say
with sambal goreng.
fried potatoes with fried
Fried potatoes with fried
fried
chilies.
sambal. Ya,
Oh,
chilis boleh.
sambal.
Because the foreign people now already understand what is sambal.
Okay.
Rendang, of course, we just say it rendang. Everyone know about that. Ketan,
Yeah, next.
sticky rice.
Yeah, boleh
Es buah
loh.
gampang ya, right? Sorry, ice fruit
Ice fruit
or
ice.
mixed fruit
Mixed
ice.
fruit ice. That's all.
Okay, that's about guess. And now let's move on to another topic about concert. Have you ever attended a concert before?
No, I haven't.
Oh no, okay. Um, you can pick any topic that you want to talk about right now. Is there any topic that you want to tell me about your past experience? Like, for example, your friend, your very best friend when you were a child. Do you have best
Uh,
friend when you were elementary school?
I have.
Okay, so describe one of your best friends when you were in elementary school. Do you know what is elementary school?
Yeah, elementary school.
SD, yeah. Who
Yep.
was it?
It was Anne. Annie. A
Like
N
this?
N E.
E
Which one? A
in
N
A.
N E. Yep.
Okay. And how was she like? The appearance.
She. 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 She.
She was
She.
tall. She was kind.
She. Oh my
She
god.
was
She
helping
was.
me with my homework or what?
Yep. She was tall. She was pretty. She was kind, and she was funny.
Okay. And then what did you like to do with her?
We play a game we play game together. We watch Harry Potter together, and we like to talk about movies together.
Okay, and then when did the last time you meet her?
1 year ago,
Oh, why?
he moved to Amsterdam.
Amsterdam. Okay, the
Yeah,
Netherlands. Why? Study.
cause her family's there,
What? She's a foreigner?
and she's half.
She's Indonesian, but her family live there.
She is half Dutch and Indonesia.
Oh, I see. But she's Indonesian or Dutch?
Both.
Both,
I don't
okay.
know.
Yeah, because half mixed. Blasteran itu mix.
Yep, he's mixed
Okay, mixed
half.
ethnicity. Okay, and then did you still contact her right now?
Yes, I do still
Yes, I did.
contact. Yes, I
By what?
did.
WhatsApp or what kind of that? Instagram?
Social media, Instagram, TikTok,
Okay,
WhatsApp,
yes, I did.
other
I
stuff,
contacted
etc.
her. Okay, good. ETC with social media. And then what did you like from her? Apa yang kamu sukai dari dia? Karena dia baik, karena dia cantik, atau apa? Because
because um because we have the same taste,
the same what?
and we have the same, and we have the same taste
Case,
in music,
what?
movies,
Oh, taste.
and
Taste in music.
movies and other stuff.
Other stuff. Okay. All right. That's really nice to hear about your best friend when you were a child. Now let's move on to the last topic about cafe. Or maybe if you have not yet go to cafe, you can tell me about restaurant as well.
Okay.
Um so have you ever went to a cafe like hang out with your friend?
Yes, I have.
Oh, okay, that's great then. Please describe a cafe that you enjoyed going to. You should say where was the cafe?
It was in cafe yang mana ya? Wait,
Wow, banyak ya.
enggak. Um, in Jogja.
Jogja.
Yep.
What is the name of the cafe?
The name of the cafe is kita pilih mana ya? Nescafe.
What? Nescafe?
Coffee.
Really?
Coffee. I don't know, tapi the last time aku ke sana itu Nest.
Like
Nest or
this?
Nest? Forgot. No, it's not.
Can you please spell letter by letter?
Aku juga gak tahu
Oh ya
tulisannya
udah di
gimana ya.
Jogja ya yang
And
pasti.
pokoknya in Yogyakarta.
So when did you go to this cafe?
Um, 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 no, like 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. Okay,
Yeah,
and then why did you choose this cafe?
because it has can it has it has or
It had
it had a good food, and the cafe looks good juga. The cafe,
looks aesthetic.
yeah, it's aesthetic, boy.
Okay, and then number 4, what type of food did you eat in this cafe?
I ate I ate tiramisu. I ate fettuccine. And the burger and fish and chips.
And fish and
Mhm.
chips. Okay. So basically it sells foreigner food.
Yep,
All right. And then number 5. Why did you enjoy eating in this cafe?
because the taste of the food was so good,
The food
a-
tastes good.
and
Huh?
the drinks also taste
The
good.
beverages as well. Like this. Minumannya juga
Yep,
enak.
yep.
Mhm. And whom did you go to this cafe?
I go with
I
I go
went
on. Oh yeah, I went to the cafe with my friends.
with my friends. So where do you live right now?
Right now I'm in Jakarta, but 2 weeks ago I'm in Jogja. But I go to Jakarta
For
again and
holiday?
not holiday. I'm homeschool because
Oh, okay.
especially a week ago kan no a few days ago my grandmother
Grandfather. Oh, grandmother. Okay.
grandmother itu
Pass
operasi
away.
kan so ya sebenarnya operasi and the
Mhm.
operasi what is operasi in English.
Surgery.
Yeah, my grandmother had a heart surgery a
Mhm.
few days ago, but turns out it has failed. So yeah,
So,
we're in
yeah.
Jakarta, and I think my family will permanently live in Jakarta.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm really sorry to hear about that. I hope
Okay.
that she have happiness in the heaven right now.
I mean,
Okay, that's all for today's meeting. Is there anything that you want to ask before we end this meeting?
I think it's all enough.
Okay. Thank you so much for coming today, and we can meet again tomorrow at what hour? I forgot. I'm sorry.
And at
At
1 p.m.
1 p.m. All right. Thank you so much, Aisha, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. See you.
Thanks, Kak Aurel. Bye
Thank
bye.
you.